Hey, what's up, man? My son's sleeping, so I'm having to be quiet. I'm not totally sure what you're going for here, but here it says I want to know which keywords my clients are not using, but other competitors have, and using them and getting a higher rank. So that's not totally clear to me, but I'm going to take a stab at what you're wanting to do. So I've got the spreadsheets that you sent, 5 of them, and they're all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 client keywords, competitor, 4 competitors, 1 client keyword. So let's just look at those for a second. Where are we? Competitor, 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 client keywords. So maybe these are the keywords your client is wanting. And I'm not sure what this URL is right there. But obviously, if you want to combine these all into one spreadsheet, you can do that with copying and pasting. And then once you've copied and pasted, you could start sort of comparing them. So let me just look at this here for a second. We have client keywords, and when we compare this with competitor, we got the keyword, position, previous search, cost per click, URL, traffic, traffic cost, competition, number, trends, timestamp. So that looks all similar. So I'm just going to create a new spreadsheet. So, well, right up here, file, new, blank workbook. And I'm going to get this first one here and just copy all this stuff. And I'm just going to go out to timestamp. I don't know what all that other stuff is out there. Copy all that, drop it in. And so that is from keywords, client keywords. Don't save. Bye-bye on that one. And so then I'm also just going to create a column here. And this one is client keywords. And, these are just my thoughts, right? That's the spreadsheet that these came from. And then I'll get your next group. And I just need, well, let's just make sure it all matches up. So I'm going to copy that. And this is from competitor 3. And so timestamp's matching up, and this is competitor 3. So I'll just put that in there. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Competitor 3, Control C. There we go. So done with competitor 3, and I'm going to do that with each of the spreadsheets. I'm not going to make you watch all that. So I just copied all those in, and so here's like everything from client keywords. Here's from competitor 3. Here's from competitor 4. Here's from competitor 2. Those are the names of the sheets you sent me. And then here's a competitor 1, which is slightly different, right? And if we look at this, so I'm just going to come up to the top here and do a Windows View, freeze panes, top row. So if I compare the columns, right? I have keyword, which matches. And then I have slightly different stuff here. And it looks like, right? I'm not totally sure what this stuff is. So this one doesn't really fit in right here. I'm just going to take this stuff out. This is the last one, and this was competitor 1. And take these out. That's part of that. So anyhow, I now have the keywords here, and I have what spreadsheet that came from. And I guess maybe this has to do with the competitor. You drop that in, and it produced the results of, what keywords they're using or what they're marketing towards. So now I could sort all this, so data, sort, and let me just select everything and sort. And I want to sort by my data's headers, and I'll sort by, I guess, keyword, position, rank, traffic, or maybe cost, but I'll go with keyword. So now you can see, ad agencies Calgary is being used by competitor 3 and 2. Competitor 2 is using ad agency Calgary. So you can see some of the keywords that are being used there. And I could get rid of these here. Those are just the redundant headers. Delete those. So hopefully that's helpful. The main thing that I would look at is cost per click, right? And trying to find unique keywords that would be useful for whatever it is you're trying to sell. And you could see sort of here, right? The cost. I guess I don't know. You know how to read all this stuff probably, but I mean it's a I don't have to tell you this, but it's a fierce marketplace, and you just got to get out there and you got to pay the price, and pretty much everybody's covering everything. You can find unique niches though, so I'm just babbling, I know. The last thing I want to look at here is this spreadsheet here, and so this looks like you have keyword competition, Tonato. I think it's Tonato one of them. Yeah, you got Tonato right there. Twist Marketing's another one. And so I guess these are the number of keywords that they bought. I don't know, or the number of the ones they've sold. So that's kind of cool, seeing it that way. I'm not sure what these numbers represent here. Anyhow, man, I don't know what to help you with on this, but that's one way you could think about sorting it. That's one way I'd think about sorting it. And let me just think about this for a sec. Hang on. Yeah, dude, I'm not totally sure what you're asking for, so I just reread your email. So the way you get a higher rank is you just got to pay more. And finding out which keywords your clients aren't using, you got your list of what they are using, and you just got to sort of Google it and use the keyword tool in Google AdWords and just see what comes up and look for the ones that, aren't very popular. The competition on them's low, right? So I wish you the best of luck. I hope this was helpful. Please leave me a good review for this course, on Udemy. It helps other students find my course. I appreciate it. Thank you.